Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download video on Udemy. So simply in order to do this, just you have to log into your account, and after that here you can see the multiple courses available. So simply now, like here you can see the graphic designing masterclass. So simply just select here, and now after that when you open this, so here you can see the payment method is available here. So now in order to download any video, so you have to buy the premium package. So there is no other option directly to download videos from Udemy. So here you can see these courses are paid. So if you want to download the video, simply you have to buy the premium package of Udemy. So now there are some courses available on free, so you can also download the free courses. But in order to download the all videos from Udemy, you have to buy the premium package. After that you will be able to download Udemy videos. Simply select the video, and after that here you can add to cart or click on buy now, and after that here you will add the payment method, and after this you will be able to download videos from Udemy.